What's up, YouTube? This is Dustin, your maid modeling man, you know. And this is round two of the Robocop resin vinyl model kit. And as you can see, I've got the blue on them, the silverish blue, that signature blue, or close enough to it. There it is. Bam, bam. Alright, and as you can see, if you watched my first video, he don't have a gaping hole in his neck anymore. His hip is closed up. I patched the back of his knees. All that good modeling stuff. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And to anybody that's trying to build a Robocop, I'm going to tell you how to get this color. Alright, shall we begin? First off, I use these paints. They're water-based, cheap. You can get them at your local hobby store for 96 cents to $1. And navy blue and silver. I tried a light blue and it came out really weird. So what I did was I put some silver in a cup, one of these, and I started adding the navy blue little by little until I got the color that I wanted. There it is right there. And then I added water little by little until I got the consistency that I wanted. And then I slapped it in my sprayer. Ba-boom. Some people call it a spray gun. I call it a sprayer. For a Sling Blade reference. I don't know where that came from, but I put it in there, put some water in it little by little, and here it goes. And as you can see, these colors do work in a spray gun. Alright, next step is I'm going to hand brush the black. I'm not going to spray it. And the black is going to be in his joints, his torso, his neck, his hands, his gun. And then I'm going to give it a high gloss after I do that. And then I'm going to go back with probably this navy blue or a black. I'm not too sure. I'm probably going to touch on both of them and give them a wash. And then I'm going to take a brush, probably this one, and give him a dry brush on all the black. And then the last thing I'm going to do is his mouth. And I'm actually going to put a lot of detail in his mouth too. A lot of people just paint them one color. You know, just a regular peach or tan or skin tone, however you want to go about that, saying that. But I'm going to give his mouth and the little bit of the skin that he does still have, I'm going to give it a wash, probably like a earth brown. But y'all see all that. I'm going to paint it all black, paint all the black, and probably gloss it, and I'll show y'all. And then I'm going to wash it, dry brush it, and paint his mouth, and then it'll be finished, and I'll make that video too. Alright, YouTube, until next time, go ahead and comment if you like it. Ask me how I done certain things if you want to. If you're going to comment about some junk talking, just go ahead and go get the hell on. You and your mama. Alright, YouTube. Until next time, this your boy Dustin, signing off. Peace.